essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. Well, in this video, we're going to learn how many times you have to say because in English. We always have to tell people a reason for something we did or for something we believe, right? So today, we're going to learn 因为, 所以, because, so. Well, before we start, I have to say that in Chinese, we have to say because and so together. Not like in English, right? In English, sometimes we only say because, and then we don't have to say so. Or we say so without saying because for the reason. However, in Chinese, we do have to say both. Please read after me again. 因为, 所以, 因为 because of something, 所以 so something. Let's have a try. Because today weather is very good, so I plan to go to the park to run. 因为今天天气非常好，所以我打算去公园跑步。因为 because 今天 today 天气 weather 非常 very much 好 good 所以 so yeah that's the word 所以 so 我 I 打算 plan 去 go 公园 park 跑步 run. One essential topic in IGCSE test or IBDB test is about the environmental protection. Can we please try to use 因为 and 所以 because so when we are talking about environmental protection? Let's have a try. Because plastic rubbish will pollute environment, so we should use less plastic bag. 因为 because 因为塑料垃圾塑料 plastic 垃圾 rubbish 会 will 污染 pollute 环境 environment 所以 so 所以我们 we 应该 should 少用 less use. I know in English it means use less. However, in Chinese, we usually put the verb after the adverb. 少用 less use. 塑料袋 plastic bag. Now please read after me again. 因为塑料垃圾会污染环境，所以我们应该少用塑料袋。Wow, that's a very good sentence when you are talking about environmental protection. Can we also use 因为 and 所以 when we are describing a person? Well, take Mr.Li for example. Because Mr.Li very much like to eat meat, so he's very fat. 因为 because 因为 Mr.Li 很喜欢吃肉，很喜欢 very much like 吃肉 eat meat 吃肉 eat meat 所以 so 他很胖 he very fat 他很胖 he very fat. Oh, I need to lose weight. Well, in today's video, we learned 因为 and 所以 which means because, so. Because Mr. Li wants to help you learn Chinese, so he makes these videos. 因为 Mr. Li, 因为 Mr. Li, because Mr. Li 想 want 想帮助你帮助 help 你 you 学中文 learn Chinese 学中文 learn Chinese 所以 so 他做 he makes 这些视频这些 these 视频 videos 好，that's all for 因为 and 所以，谢谢。